Welcome back to Mad Max. Last couple of videos we got pink eye her sail by taking out this place. Tyrant's trash, taking out the top dog. So she gave us a little thing, a little hint as to what we're supposed to do next. Somewhere here. Apparently I have another history relic too. Is this still the same one? This one here is the one she just gave us.
I'll find these landmarks. I'll find the loot.
So we apparently have to just drive around to find that. We have another history relic here. Where is it? It's probably an old one. We got that one. Jesus, there's a ton of these things. Here we go. Yeah, we got this one here. This is Piglet and Robin. Piglet and Robin, I love that. Let's go to the BIOS, see what's over here. It must be another bad guy that looks the same like all the bad guys. Here he is, pig sticker.
Now this is gonna take some time, so get comfy.
Nah, it didn't take that long. These guys all look alike, man. They all have the same weapon. So, Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. We're just going to go run around this area here. And we'll take down scarecrows and snipers. That will lower the threat level. And we can roam around, see what's there. Was this another 5 dog camp? Yeah, it is. 5 skull camp. Okay, let's go here. And we'll start. I wonder if I can, nah, the balloon's not going to help. You really can't see it. I might be able to see something on the balloon. Let's try that. Except it probably doesn't have any fuel. Oh, there's fuel here. Where's the balloon? Let's grab a fuel can just in case we need it. Yeah, I don't know if this will work or not. It's kind of a tricky thing. Don't fall off. Let's just put some fuel in it. It's not gonna let me fuel it up. Okay. So I guess it doesn't need fuel. Can I go in it? Alright. Oh yeah, we're full. Okay. Now, it could also be in an area that I haven't looked. I mean, I haven't discovered yet, which is the next area over.
Pink Eye's tower. It's not one piece.
Transfer camp. Let's open the binoculars. Okay, these guys got a ton of freaking damn slings, don't they, right here? Thunder stick launcher. Nice. We're looking for something that's not going to be on the map. What's that? Fortified scarecrow. I've got to look for a place where there's buildings, I guess. Like there. Where's that at? Can't mark it from here, so... Will the map tell me if I look at it? Where am I looking at? Which direction am I facing? I'm facing here. Okay. It's possible. But that other thing looked like there was 2 buildings, one on each side of the road. But you know, it's an old postcard, so who knows? Like I said, it may not even be in this area. But we're just going to go around taking down scarecrows and stuff. And see if we can find it. Wait a minute. Uh-huh. Here's another area right here. Is that it there? No, it doesn't look like it. Where's that area at? Let's see if the map will show me that area. I'm looking the same way again. Yeah, I don't even know if that's accurate or not. Alright, let's close it binoculars. Let's get out of here. We just got to drive around, taking out scarecrows and snipers. You know what happens if you run out of fuel on the way down? I guess you just fall down, I don't know. Okay. It's dusk again, of course. It's not, dawn, it's dusk. Where's the car? Must be on the other side. Must be over here. Alright, let's go. Let's just pick a direction here. We're here. What's this right here? Sniper or scarecrow? Scarecrow? Alright, let's go there. I'll do that one. Now we're heading right towards a camp. Can I get down? Can I get by this camp? Without them shooting at me? Looks like I can.
Shoot her! Ready for a scrap!
Oh, I got out of the car. What a dumbass. Sorry, minor interruption. Can't believe I jumped out of the car. Come on, Max. Alright, Max, you did something stupid. Alright, these guys are gonna pay for your stupidity. There's a scarecrow right there.
These tracks mean convoys.
Sorry, dude. Did I kill him?
He's in pain. Saint, I'm gonna fix.
I did. Did I? I killed him. Alright, so there's no info there. Sorry, dude. Oh well, so we ain't getting any info on that. It's probably on the convoy anyway.
Convoys carry oil.
Yeah. What's the next thing? What do we got here? Sniper here. Alright.
Hey, Cecil Roland. His power is weakened.
There he is. Okay. So we're at level 3 now. What's next? We should go do this, I guess. Hey, this scarecrow? Oh, it's another sniper behind me. Oh, let's mark it so we know where it's at. It's behind me. He's not too far away, though. And got the sun on his back. Really? Must be a convoy.
Big spot's all armored. Got a bang before he ramps.
That's it. The building from the pink I photo.
Oh, really? I got it already, huh? Dude. Alright, get out of the car. Let him fix it. Gotta dodge a sniper too wherever he's at. Where's the building? I don't know where that sniper is. Okay, he fixed it up fast, didn't he? Ow! Really? Where is this guy? I can't see him. He's to my right. He's over here. Where is he? He's gonna kill me. Oh, here he is.
Holy.
Alright, let's get out of the car for a moment. Let him finish. I can get a drink of water.
It's like she's tugging at my soul, Saint. You be careful here.
Okay, so now I heard him say, there's the building Pink Guy's talking about. I heard him say it. Really?
Sir, convoy of every forces. These tanks lie bare.
Am I stuck in something? Oh, I am. Not anymore. Alright, so where is the building? Oh, convoy's coming. Alright, let's get by this. Is this the building he's talking about? There's a sign there. Let's see. A new collectible. What do I got now? A camp. What camp do I put on here? Oh, we drove by it. That's why. Oh no, we got this already. Game. Cut it out. Collectibles. We need relics. History relics. There it is. Let's see if this is it.
I'll find these landmarks.
It is. This is it. This is the sign. So now, what do we do with it? Oh, there's a basement. Okay, good thing I drank some water. Is there water here? No. Alright, well, let's go. Wait a minute. Looks like there's some scrap over there. I thought a convoy was coming. Is this going to be like a treasure hunt? Go here, get another clue. Something over there. What's over here? Tires. Okay, that's what we wanted. He said, hurry, company's coming. Alright, so we got our tire upgrade. That wasn't too difficult. Alright. Well, wait a minute, I don't have it yet. Now what do I gotta do? I gotta go back to her? No, I can put it on. It's gonna give me better handling, right? Because right now my handling sucks. Okay. Alright. So we now have tire upgrades. Okay. What about my spinners? Are we covered with these? We are. We covered with just about everything on the car. Except the engine. I need the big dog. The big chief. We need the big chief. But that's pretty far away from here. And it's gonna destroy the handling some more when you do the big chief. I guess because it weighs more. Handling goes down every time you put a bigger motor in it. Except till you get there. Okay. Alright, well, let's go take care of the food problem. Which is... Or we could go take care of a balloon over here. We only got one balloon left. Let's do that, and we can take care of this guy on the way, this scarecrow. Alright, let's take care of this here first. Let's go here. We're gonna have to... Is that a convoy? I'm trying to avoid the convoy at this point. Oh, I'm on the route. I thought I was...
Not the grand mojo what sits on the hood. Lord, it was a great power for us. See? He slithers off. Snake!
Sniper somewhere. Where's he at? There he is. Can I get him from here? Where is he? There he is. Got him. Car's coming.
Heavy armor all over this one.
Oh, that's the convoy again? Okay, I forgot. What was my plan? My plan was to go here. He's getting away from me. How come he's getting away from me? Sniper.
He's got us in his sights.
Balloon. I see the balloon. It's up there. Another sniper. Oh, it's a camp. Okay. Sniper. Two snipers up there, eh? Get him. Ah, missed. There we go. Was that him yelling lead slinger?
Oh, it's one of Scrotus's convoys.
Jesus, do these guys ever go away? I get two of them?
Always has a weak spot.
Got two of them. That's pretty good. I gotta tear down the restraints on the balloon. Okay. Alright, here's the other one there. Load that sucker up. And then where's the other one at? Oh, we got guys here too? Oh, Jesus, there is. He's already on my impenetrable car. Damn it! Stab your guy. Damn it. Alright, take my health. Hey, what's he got over here?
Right here.
Belt is full. Okay. Alright, we gotta get that last tie down over there. Can I get it from out here, or do I gotta go inside and... Back up. I'm gonna have to do that one inside. Alright, let's see if we gotta do it inside. What's this? Is this a weapon? Oh, that's my ammo. Or shivs. How do I get to it? Wait, let's grab scrap while we're standing here. And some ammo. Go this way. Yeah, we should be able to bang on this, eh? No? Really? I should be able to. It's right there. Here we go. Get it. Alright, that was it. Alright, that's all we had. Holding the balloon down. Where is it? There it is. Alright, so now we can go up on the balloon. Let's check around for scrap. Is that a history relic? Well, of course it is. Holy crap. Fuck, man. Don't even know how to start. What's happening? Everyone's gone nuts. Chaos, no rules, no nothing. My boys, they all lost it. Known these dogs since fucking kindergarten, man. The MPs are swarming and busting skulls. Fuck me, I can't do nothing. I can't riot. I just hate this fucking chaos. Fucking bottom of the sea stinks like a motherfucker. Everybody got some fever or other. Holy fuck, Linda's gone. Never thought I'd care about her. She's dead, man, dead. Alright. No philosophy max on that one? Did I loot the whole area? No, there's still one left. We gotta go up. We gotta go up on the balloon, which is this way. Somewhere in the maze. See, we went this way. Okay, is there any scrap over here? No. Scrap over here. Can't go that way. Can I look around? I can look around. Nothing there. Okay. The balloon is over there. Okay, let's go this way. How do I get where the balloon is? So I gotta do a... Here it is, yeah. Just a little mantle. There we go. Please just go up in the air. was too much to ask. Alright, so now I gotta find fuel. I think I have a fuel can in the car, but that's my emergency fuel. There's gotta be a fuel can here somewhere. In here? Scrap, anyway. Fuel can, fuel can, fuel can. I can't go through there. I can't go between these two posts. Let's see. Here we go. Alright, let's go outside. Eat food, that's good, that'll help. I don't have any water though. We don't need water if we can get the water going. Alright, what am I looking for? A fuel can. Man, I'm going to have to use my fuel can probably, eh? There's got to be one here somewhere. Game, come on. The thing requires fuel. You should give me a fuel can. Wait a minute, what's over there? Nothing. Somebody knock on the window here. They see me run by it. Yeah, we can go get it out of my car. It's not outside the camp. Pretty sure of that. Alright, I'm going to have to use mine. Yeah, fuel can will travel. Okay, this is the way. Is this the way to the... This is not the way to the balloon. Let's go back to the balloon, which is over there. There's got to be something underneath it there somewhere. What about over here? Nothing in that corner. There's a lot of fires going now, so they must have had fuel somewhere. And I did. I looked over here, so there's nothing over here. We looked over here. This is the bus. Just had some scrap on the bus. This is another entrance. Oh, that is the entrance. Okay. The balloon's right there. Okay, no fuel there. Didn't know that was there though, so I discovered that. That's crazy. Why would they do that? Just to aggravate you? Alright. Said it before, say it again. Go to the car and get my fuel. Where's the car? I'm on the wrong side. Of course I am. We came in here, here we go. Alright, sorry chum, we gotta use the spare fuel can. Wherever you're at, where are you at, dude? Just way over here. Grab the fuel can. Alright, well let's go. There's no way in here, is there? Can I go in here? No, alright, let's go back this way. Fuel it up. Watch there be a fuel can on either side of this thing. No, there isn't. Okay. Alright, fuel. Refuel. Okay. Let's go up in the balloon. Wailing Wind. Alright, let's see what's in the Wailing Wind. Oil transfer camp. Another 5-star. Oh, that's a 4-star camp. Oh, Death Run. Fortified Scarecrow. I don't know what's up there. Top of the mountain. That looks like trouble. Probably just a loot spot. Caravan, sounds like. Not a caravan, convoy. There's something. What do we got there? Scarecrow. Another 4-star camp. Scarecrow. No, it's not the convoy. Oh yeah, I guess it might be. What's that? Scarecrow. Sniper. This is a pretty big region. And that's the pink eye's stronghold there. What's this one here? That's another scarecrow. A massive scarecrow. I think we've gone around now. Looks like it. Get close to it. Yeah, we have. Alright. What do we got? Wailing Winds. Nothing over in this area, huh? Interesting. Very interesting. Nothing over there. Alright, so we got this all discovered, it looks like. Let's go down. I guess you don't use a lot of fuel going down. Just going up. Alright, so let's go back to pink eye. Let's go over here. We don't have this camp fully upgraded yet, at all. We're trying to get food. I don't even think we got water in here yet. Let's see. What do we got? No, we don't have water yet either. Okay, well we know where the food is. The armory's going. We need food, maggots, and we have a cleanup crew going. Okay. Food and maggots are our next thing. We're going to go get this, whatever's going on over here, because then we can discover this territory. This looks like insane over here anyway. And we still have a lot of this area. This might be endgame stuff. We might just do this at the end of the game. I should go take care of these guys. So these are the guys that are problematic. The buzzard lairs. How many of those do we have? 2 of them. That's the guys with the spiky cars. They're crazy. That's a ramp. Alright, I think we're good for now. And when we come back, we'll do some more stuff for pink eye. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.